Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Talk Big here, and this is itel N82 wireless headphone. This is the latest itel earpod. Let us unbox it and let me give you the first impression so that if you want to get it, you already know what you want to get. The unboxing. It's slightly unboxed. Just tear the nylon. You put here. You want to unbox it, you actually remove the top, the nylon at the top. From the beginning, you have actually see the headphone itself. Let's put it inside there. Some paper, the guide, the quick start guide, volume 1.2. Everything you need to know about the headphone, you see it here. And also come with a USB Type A cord. The USB Type A charging cord. That's all inside the box. That is unboxing. And let me give the impression about the product. The earphone itself. At the back of the earphone, it's a glossy gold shiny color. They put nylon. It's very shiny. It's very reflective. Let's see. It's good. Put the itel logo here. This is it. If you want to put it on your neck, straightforward. It's a curved earphone. I just bought it. Now guys, give the first impression. And this product is made up of plastic, as you can see, as I'm holding it, made up of plastic, so that I'll be very careful with the product, so that if I expand it too much, it should not go and break quickly. And it's come with slightly adjustment to your taste. You can adjust it to your taste, how you want it. This place, the foam is good. You put it on your head. I think the foam is actually good for the amount, because the product is not that much. If you have 10,000 naira in Nigerian notes, you can actually get it. Slightly good. And this is the power. Let's on it. Power on. The charging point. The AUX cord. It supports a AUX cord. If you want to use it for gaming, it's very good for gaming. The power and the volume. It also supports memory card slots. If you want to use it for memory card. That's just, and it's wireless for Bluetooth control. Let's just hold it. As a earphone. Let me adjust it my face. Let me put it on my head. As you can see, very good. That's all about it. Thanks for watching. Follow for more tech video. Peace out and subscribe.